Today we're looking at how to build the best home gym on a budget within 3 different pricing tiers. A home gym under $100, $500, and $1,000. I've spent many years working out from home and want to share what I would buy if I were starting over from scratch, to give you the best bang for your buck. If you want to help support the channel and are interested in buying any of this equipment, use the links that I provide in the description. First up, home gym under $100. The first item is a pull-up bar. In my experience, a pull-up bar is the most essential, cheap piece of equipment you can buy. Many bodyweight pressing movements can be done without any equipment, but to cover the pulling and back part of your training, there's nothing better than a pull-up bar. I made my own outdoor pull-up bar out of a galvanized pipe and treated lumber. If you want a simpler option, go with a hang-in-the-doorway pull-up bar. The one I've linked in the description is a great choice to get you going. The next piece of equipment is pull-up bands. A major problem with bodyweight training is how to regress the movements when they are too hard. Pull-up bands are perfect for regressing the difficulty of pull-ups and can also be used for regressing other bodyweight exercises. Outside of this, they can also be used for resistance training in various planes, and you can get really creative with how to use them. The third piece of equipment is a set of resistance bands. These are similar to the pull-up bands but are even further regressed, and also come with handles and ankle straps for further variance in how to use them. They are excellent for training shoulder stability, warming up for your workout, or can be doubled up, tripled up, or quadrupled up to provide good resistance in different movements. From here, I would recommend Pavers. Basic Pavers make for a great, cheap, adjustable step option, and they can be picked up at your local Lowe's or Home Depot for next to nothing. They are great for various leg movements, and can also make for a super cheap weight for certain pressing or pulling movements. Last on this list under $100 is a sandbag. A sandbag is literally the cheapest weight you can buy for leg training. So for a quick recap of your $100 home gym, pull-up bar, pull-up bands, resistance bands, pavers, and a sandbag. Next up, home gym for under $500. First on the list is a Cat Barbell Power Rack. This low-cost rack not only eliminates the need for a separate pull-up bar, but it also gives you the ability to rack a barbell for any barbell exercise you can think of. Next are Olympic rings. Olympic rings are not only cheap, but incredibly versatile. You can hang them from your pull-up bar for a wide range of bodyweight movements. They are also perfect for traveling because you can hang them just about anywhere, even off of trees. Third on the list is a barbell. A barbell is the next essential item for weighted movements. The barbell I'm suggesting isn't the cheapest one available. It's on the lower range cost-wise, but not a super cheap lightweight one. This is an area that you really don't want to skimp, because you don't want a cheap bar that will warp and won't be able to handle extended use. After these 3 items, the remaining items on the list are the same as the $100 home gym, with the exception of getting 4 sandbags instead of only 1. The extra bags can be used as extra weights, and they can also be used to help stabilize the weight rack during pull-ups and barbell movements, since it's a lighter weight option. So let's recap the $500 home gym. Cat Barbell Power Rack, Olympic rings, barbell, pull-up bands, resistance bands, pavers, sandbags. Last but not least, home gyms for under $1,000. This is going to look exactly like the $500 home gym with 2 critical additions. The first is a weight plate set. At this point you have your barbell and need weights to add to it. The weights can not only be used for exercises with the barbell, but can also be used on their own for other movements. With the weights, you also need collars. These are a low-cost addition and will help keep the weight secure on the bar. So let's recap your $1,000 home gym. Cat Barbell Power Rack, Olympic rings, pull-up bands, resistance bands, pavers, barbell, sandbags, plate set, barbell collars. Lastly, I want to provide a bonus list, because there are some really close runner-ups that didn't quite make the list. Dip belt, weighted sled, easy curl bar, yoga mat, dumbbell bars, adjustable bench. I hope this helped give you some ideas if you're considering training from home. If you liked the video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for new videos every Thursday.